Hello students, hope you are happy and safe at home. Before proceeding further, I would like to rewind the previous module. In the previous module, I told you about the universe, the galaxy, the solar system and the sun. Now in this module, I will tell you about the planets. Now, what are planets? In the Greek language, the term planet means wanderer. The celestial bodies called planets have been named so because they are in constant motion around their parent stars. The Sun has 8 planets that orbit around it. No two planets are same. They have different compositions, surface temperature and gravitational pulls. Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars are called inner planets as they are closer to the Sun. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, which lie farther from the Sun, are called outer planets. These have rings around them and many moons. So, now let us discuss about these planets in short. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. It is the closest planet to the Sun. It is also the fastest moving planet as it revolves around the Sun once in every 88 days. However, it spins on its axis very slowly once in every 58.6 days. Its temperature is around 400 degrees Celsius during the day but drops to about minus 170 degrees Celsius at night. This is because Mercury has almost no atmosphere. Venus. It is the hottest planet with a temperature of 475 degrees Celsius even during the night. This is because its atmosphere is 96% carbon dioxide, a gas that traps heat. Since its size is almost the same as that of the Earth, it is also called sister planet of the Earth. It is also called morning star or evening star because it is the brightest planet in the night sky and easy to spot from the Earth. The Earth. The Earth is the fifth largest and the third nearest planet to the Sun. It is the only planet that has life supporting conditions like water and air, which are essential for survival. From the outer space, the Earth appears blue because two-thirds of its surface is covered by water. It is therefore called the blue planet. Mars. Mars is often referred to as the red planet because of the presence of red soil. This planet has many features in common with the Earth, such as an atmosphere with clouds and polar caps that melt partly in summer, but it has no water and very thin and dry atmosphere. It has two small satellites. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system with faint rings around it. It is about 318 times heavier than the Earth. Also, its diameter is about 11 times more than that of the Earth. It is a gas giant made up of hydrogen and helium and is covered by a layer of clouds. Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system after Jupiter. It is known for its rings. Space studies shows that this planet has 12 major rings made up of ice particles varying in size from very small to as big as an iceberg. Saturn is visible without using a telescope. It has 62 natural satellites. Uranus. Uranus is the third largest planet after Jupiter and Saturn. It is 4 times larger than the Earth. Uranus is similar to Jupiter and Saturn in its composition but colder because of its distance from the Sun. Neptune. Neptune, also known the blue giant, is the farthest planet in the solar system. It is so far from the Earth that it can hardly be seen, even with powerful telescopes. It spins quite rapidly on its axis, taking only 16 hours 7 minutes for one rotation. So, this was about planets. I would like to share one interesting fact about planets. Do you know? Only two planets, that is Venus and Uranus, rotate on their axis from east to west, and all other planets from west to east. Now, on the basis of previous topic, here are some assignment questions. Try to do it in your assignment copy.